Can you see me or no?
Yeah, I can see.
Flip it around, let me see it. That's good, yeah. Right. Flip it around, right? You're hot?
Yeah.
Alright, my friends. Now, there's a big problem because last night was the Hot Mama contest. And it's basically like a Miss America pageant, but you have to have kids. You have to have a kid to enroll. It's called a Hot Mama contest. Walk with me, baby. So I missed that last night because I was drinking and I didn't understand that it was going on. But tonight is Barangay night, and my wife wants to go to Barangay night because there's a rumor that there's free food at Barangay. Baby, get the camera ready. Listen. My wife says that in Barangay night there might be free food. So my wife, her sister, her cousins, everybody wants to go to Barangay night to see if there's free food. And I'll be honest with you, I told you before, I eat one time a day. But last night I got drunk and I cooked. I had too many guests. I didn't eat any food. Tonight I did the same stuff. So I haven't eaten in 2 days. If there's some free food over here, I'm gonna eat it. If not, I'll be in 3 days with no food. All right. So, just walk with me, folks. We're going to Barangay night, and just you can't see it right here, but we're right on the beach. Just show around the boats, baby. Just show everybody around right here. We're right on the beach. You can't see the water, but you know my beach condo is literally 1 minute walk to the beach. I just want to say, you know what? Welcome to paradise. This is my paradise. I'm living in paradise. 28 US dollars per month, and that's the way it is. So we're going to Barangay night, and we're going to see if we can get free food. I don't believe it, but we're going to see if we can do it. I'm hearing some ice, baby. Vanilla ice. I got the cold dogs right here. When I was a kid, Vanilla Ice was the shit. I love that dude. I don't care about any of the controversy. I love Vanilla Ice. That's what I'm listening to. We're going to listen to some Vanilla Ice. Oh shit. Looks like a game of bingo. That's what it says, it's bingo. I might get in on this game of bingo. Alright folks, this is a beautiful church right here. This right here is obviously some gambling going on. I'm not sure what this is, but I do have 5 pesos and I'm willing. I got 5 pesos, I'm willing to gamble it, but I'm not sure how to play this game. What you think? Here? Here?
Up to you.
I don't know how to play. What, how do you play the game?
Just put your coins there.
You put like this?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay folks, I put 5 pesos down on the king. And I'm feeling lucky. I'm gonna win. I win? Okay, so apparently I lost 5 pesos. So I'm thinking that gravity basically says put your shit on the jack because it's leaning that way. So if I put money on the jack, I think I'm gonna win. It's wherever it lands. Watch all these balls. They go over to the jack. See? It's gravity. I think I need to get a cold pale Pilsen. I don't know if she has a cold Pilsen or a warm Pilsen. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna ask my wife to go over and check and see if they got a Pilsen that's Bugnao.
Have a seat. Have a seat, sir. Thank you very much.
Nasa bawon eh, pangita sa katina. Oh yeah. Sabi na ko mo.
Oh yeah.
Kana o nana ka.
siya. Tag 10.
Somebody gave me a free baby. This is for free. It's a buy one, take one on the babies. This mom's over there. She wanna dance. She wanna dance.
Oh, ako yung mama kay picture right.
Yeah, focus here, baby.
Sakit. Hindi ba manigirilyo?
One more thing though. I love my wife. So when we went to the market today, we bought some chicken to cook for everybody for dinner, right? But I kept her a secret, and it's a fish. I bought a fish for my wife, and when we got home, she put it underneath the cooler, right, so nobody can see it. Her sister, her cousins, they don't know about this secret fish. So when her sister goes to school tomorrow, I'm gonna cook my wife this fish because it's a secret, and that's what I do because I love my wife. Secret fish. Thanks for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, bottom right hand corner of the screen, click that fucking overstay road sign. It's gonna change your life. Boom, hot day. Listen, I've told everybody, bet on the jack, but nobody's gonna listen to me. You know why? Because Filipinos never listen to the foreign guy. You see that fucking 5 pesos? I'm gonna turn that to 10 pesos. Listen. Wait a minute. I thought it was a jack. That's a queen. Shit. I'm so drunk. I gave you the wrong advice. Put it on the queen. No, the queen.
Queen na sa iyang favorite. Queen.
It's the queen. It's not the jack, it's the queen.
Hindi na suggest jack, oy. Jack! Jack!
100 on the king, baby, on the king! My friends, I have never won anything in my entire life. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter what the odds are. I have not won anything. I will never win anything. I don't care. I lost $2 because I bet on the king. And hit on the 9. Fuck it. It's time for me to go home. I'm ready to go home. I want to go to sleep because I don't win nothing. I lost $2. My wife thinks it's funny. And you know why she thinks it's funny? Because she ate some chips and some chicken tonight, and she ate all kind of food, and she's happy. But I lost $2. 100 pesos, that's some big money to lose when you live here in the Philippines. We lost 100 pesos together. So it's time for me to go home. I'm out of here. I'll see you, baby. Alright, I'm out. I'm out of here.
Bye-bye.
I got 50 pesos. I got $1. I'm going to try to regain some of my dignity and my money. Because I've lost like $3 fucking tonight. I think I should put it on the queen. But they wanted a jack. So look, I'm gonna give it her. Put it on the jack.
I'm the one who put this.
No, she put it on the jack. You the camera lady. Did you bet?
No.
Holy shit. My luck is changing because I gave my wife's cousin 50 pesos, $1 to bet. For some reason, she didn't bet, so she brought the money back. I love this girl. Thank you, Mary. My goodness. But I'm not ready to go down. I'm not ready to make nice. I'm not ready to go down. I'm here to gamble. So I'm going back in here. I'm taking that money that she saved for me, and I'm trying to triple it. That's the way I am, folks, but I never win shit. Life is short. I'm ready to gamble this money.
King.
King?
Yeah.
Oh, king.
Yeah, yes.
Woo! Yeah! You know what? My wife's cousin threw 20 pesos down on the king, and I am the king, my friends. Boom, panes. And I'm gonna let it ride.